Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will unbox and set up the Orient Electric Tornado 2 pedestal fan. So let's check it out. We wanted to buy a pedestal fan for our hall and kitchen. It is summer time and we wanted to have a backup fan. We heard good reviews about this Tornado 2 model from Orient Electric. We got this from their official website, but you can also check out the best prices on other websites in the description below. So there was this damage when we got the box, but I hope it didn't affect the fan inside. So let's unbox this now. So these are the items we got inside the box: metal base, motor, blade and guard, and this stand along with the user manual. That's all. So now I'm going to remove these 4 screws and attach this to this pipe. We have to attach it like this. I'll do that now. We removed the 4 screws now. Now we have to place it like this and we have to screw this. We have to place it like this, matching the holes, and then we have to screw this. I'll do that now. We have to put all the 4 screws here. Then we can use our screwdriver to tighten this. That's all. Okay, now we have attached both of them. Now we are going to unscrew these 4 screws. And then we have to attach this. We will do that now. Let me unscrew this. So we have the 4 screws now. So now we are going to place this like this, matching the circles, and we are going to place all the 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going to tighten this. So this is like my first time assembling a pedestal fan. So please bear with me. So that's all, it is tight now. So now we are going to place our blade like this in the center. We have to tighten the screw onto the flat side of the metal rod. We can see it here. This is very important. It should be like this. And we have a screw here. After placing it, we have to tighten the screw. We have to place this. And then we have to tighten the screw. Make sure it is tight enough. That's all. We can take a plier and we can pull this like this, and then we can use this to tighten the stand. That's all. This is the most trickiest part for me. First we have to insert this to this layer and we have to tighten the screw a bit. Then we have to keep it like this and we have to tighten the screw. I'll do that now. So that's all. I think it is properly locked now. You will hear that some sort of a click sound when it is properly holding this. So that's all. We can align the logo if we want. We can also align this screw position if we want. That's all. Now we have to tighten the screw. We have to make sure all these sections are properly aligned, and if it is tight, we have to make sure the screw is tight too, because this is the most important and dangerous part of the fan. So we have to make sure it is tight enough and holding this properly. So now we have to take the top and place it like this. We have to place it like this, and we will have this knob to tighten this. We have to tighten it. That's all. So we got this in the user manual. We have to attach this to the back side of the fan like this. We have to push this and then we can do like this to adjust the fan direction, and we also have this circular dial to change the fan speed. So that's all. The fan is almost complete. So before we switch on the fan, we have to make sure all these screws are properly tight, especially this blade guard area, this screw. We have to make sure they are properly aligned and tight enough, which is very important. So let's start the fan now. Right now it is in 0. We will make this 1, This is the first speed and it is working now, and we can change the speed to 2 and also 3. This is the maximum speed, and we can pull this to change the direction. That's all. It is working fine. The wire length is a bit short. We have to use this extension cord, but apart from that, the airflow is good, the build quality is good. We will use this for around 2 weeks and share our full review. So this is our unboxing and setup video of the Orient Electric Tornado 2 pedestal fan. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.